FRV has completed the construction of Clay Tye, Europe's joint largest operational battery energy storage plant, with 99 megawatts of peak storage and capacity of 198 megawatt-hours. Clay Tye is located in Essex and is powered by 52 lithium-ion Tesla Megapack batteries. It occupies 1 hectare and the site can supply energy for more than 300,000 UK homes for 2 hours on a single charge cycle. Clay Tye is FRV's third battery energy storage facility in the country, after the successful projects of Contego in West Sussex and Holsbay in Dorset. Energy storage is key for the future of clean energy and sustainability, as it helps to stabilise the energy demand and prices. It helps balancing services to the UK electricity grid network, underpinning energy security and enabling the replacement of coal and gas power stations to renewable power sources. For FRV, the UK is the core of battery energy storage system activity. All worldwide projects are supervised and developed by our FRV Battery Excellence Centre in London. FRV is developing 1.5 gigawatts of battery energy storage system projects in the UK and another 1.5 gigawatts in Europe, Australia and Latin America, becoming one of the world's leaders in energy storage and renewable energies.